Namaskar to all worthy intellectuals. As Goldman said, the best leader don't know just one style of leadership. They are skilled at several and have the flexibility to switch between styles as the circumstances dictate. I, Jyoti Luthra, working as a principal grade 2 in Kendra Vidyalaya Sangathan, my research paper topic is related to my curiosity as a school leader. As all of you can see, the topic is study of gender difference of emotional leadership styles of school heads of Kendriya Vidyalayas under Kendriya Vidyalaya Sangathan Regional Office, Chandigarh.
Let's begin this journey. I believe, and all of you will also agree with me, that education is the best investment a country makes in its future. According to UDICE portal, in the academic year 18-19, there were 15.5 lakh schools and 24.8 crores students were studying in these schools. This data shows the significance of school education, the single biggest way to impact an organization to focus on leadership development. School heads are responsible for overall management of school and to ensure delivery of high quality education. Now, we are going to implement NEP 2020, and due to societal and technological changes throughout the world, school heads' role become more crucial. The school is the place where we can find people of all ages. Here, all of you will agree with me that as a human being, we cannot separate ourselves from emotions. Vidyalaya is the place which is full of emotions of all ages. Here, the school heads are needed emotional leadership styles to optimize outcomes. Now, the questions arises: are there any gender difference in the emotional intelligence of man and woman? This question has three concepts: nature versus nurture, social cognition, and empathy. According to nature versus nurture study, biological factors have an important role in influencing emotional expression. In 2008, a study was conducted by using functional magnetic reasoning images and monitored the brain activity of participants. There was less upsurge within the prefrontal region of man, which is connected with self regulation, analytical, and focusing of one's attention as compared to women. Biological theorists agree that man and woman have inherent variations that exist at birth but manifest with age and maturation as a result of encountered with their respective environments. This study is based on the Goldman leadership styles, or the six emotional leadership styles, which are mentioned by famous psychologist Daniel Goleman in his book Primal Leadership. Primal leadership denotes to emotional aspect of leadership. Emotional intelligence is the basis of entire framework together with the concept of resonant leadership. His leadership styles are based on four fundamental capabilities: self awareness, self management, social awareness, and social skills. What is resonant leadership? It is the ability of a leader to create a positive emotional impact on others by using an emotional intelligence leadership style, which creates resonance and boosts performance of people are visionary, affiliative, coaching, and democratic. Other two styles, commanding and pace setting, create dissonance. Here we can see emotional competencies of each style.
Methodology for this study: a questionnaire was shared with participants to collect data in Google Form. This questionnaire is based on the work of George Litwin and Richard Stringer, psychologists from Harvard University. There are 36 questions. It's a 5-scale questionnaire. The study was conducted in 56 Kendriya Vidyalayas of Chandigarh region.
As many research findings indicate that women had longer activity in the right temporal cortex, a necessary core of the social brain connected to perception and understanding the social behavior of others, such as intentions, emotions, and expectations. This study also reveals that women school heads use coaching affiliative democratic styles more as compared to men school heads. These styles, emotional competencies are following empathy, building relationships, communication, team leadership, developing others, etc. Overall, this study strengthened the thought that gender is a significant way to understand the individual differences and emotional intelligence framework gives it an entirely new dimensions. There is need to acknowledge that this understanding can contribute to optimize efficiency of school heads, both man and women, and developing them as individuals but different. Last but not least, if you are a leader, do everything you can do to grow yourself and create the right environment for others to grow.